Guys, what's up? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Greb. Ito simulan ko ganito No way in hell you're 6'10 and you grab 3 rebounds. Diba? Sama talaga. And I'm not rooting for any team. I'm just the guy that wants it to reach 7 games. Pero kung Hinebra fan ka, just like these two guys here, ano yung describe yung laro niyo? Anong feeling nun? I think let's start with Greb then Mario.
Bro, first of all, I'm not usually that guy.
Yeah,
But for tonight, I'll be that guy. Japet, who asked you
yeah.
to score 40, 35, 30, 25, 20? Nobody, because it looks like you only play good when you score. Because when you don't, then the defense goes away, the fouls biglang lumilitaw, 'di ba, yung mga nanunulak ng hawak. I Man, I really cannot explain the motor of this guy. 3 rebounds, bro. 3 rebounds in the
3
game when
rebounds. Si
you're
Troy 16.
10. I was literally saying sa group chat, how can Scotty and Troy get those rebounds? And Japet can't, like, go ahead, Mario, man.
Nagpipigil eh. Nagpipigil. Mario,
I'm
ikaw,
still
ikaw.
hot, man. I'm
Hello.
still hot.
I'll do this super fast because I gotta go. Actually, I was
Oo.
supposed to join this episode, but then I had to because I watched a bit of the game. Hey, man, at this point, I don't care. Oh, wait lang. Somebody's calling me.
So the
Oh,
bro,
you guys
the
hear me?
Oo,
yeah,
okay, okay ka, okay ka.
yeah, we can
Hello?
hear you. We can
Okay,
hear
okay ka,
Hello?
you.
okay
Okay
ka,
na?
yeah, yeah, okay ka.
Yeah. Hello. Ayun. So at this point, I don't care. Call me a job potato. I don't give a flying fuck. Um, man, I'm super busy right now. But all I have to say is, man, you are not a single game or series anymore. Oh my god.
I
Oh.
th- Bro, the destiny is preventing Mario from saying the words that he wanted to say because man, I'm this close to saying the words that I know I didn't have the right to say because I'm not a pro, not even semi-pro, not even a good basketball player by his standards. But man, come on. You have the audacity to, when you miss shots, bow your head down and do that, will not sprint back on defense. Like, the least that you can do when you make a mistake is bumaba ka sa depensa, di ba? Doon mo
Oo, oo.
bawiin. Is that so difficult? Is that really a difficult thing to do if you're Japet Aguilar, man? In a game where you were there despite Jericho Cruz's
20,
explosion.
I think yeah,
He
sila
had
sabay sila ni
26 or
CJ.
27.
31 and 27, yeah.
When CJ exploded, when Junmar was dominant, and yet with 4 minutes to go, you were down 2 points. And then you take those perimeter shots. Come on, man. Come on.
Yeah, sama talaga na laro ni Japet, Greb. And for me talaga, pag more, if you're taller than 6'5", 6'6", you only get 3 rebounds. Especially
And
the
you're in the
premier big man
Philippines.
of Hinebra. Yeah, you're playing in the Philippines as well. Diba? At this point, parang si Abueva na lang sana kinuha natin, diba? Parang mas better na ata si Abueva yun nasa floor. If, hypothetical lang naman guys, no? Wala si Calvin sa Hinebra, pero gets nyo ba yung sinasabi ko na Japet really wasn't helpful for his team tonight. In a way, parang ano pa nga caused more harm here dito sa Game 5. Very crucial. Ay, sorry. Game 5, yeah. Very
Yeah,
crucial Game 5.
that's true. And when I was this close to skipping the dinner of my wife's graduation because she graduated from her master's degree. I was this
It's
close to
this
saying,
close.
pwede bang bukas na lang? Kasi manonood kami ni Nico sa Araneta. Thank God I did not do that because to sacrifice yung once in a lifetime moment ng love of your life to watch an Aster class like that, man. I
Masterclass na
will
naman.
never be able to forgive myself. Like, I was looking this way, wala akong tinitingnang monitor, natutulala lang talaga ako because even driving home,
Nakatulala
bro,
ka lang.
yun talaga yung nasa isip ko na, why? Di ba, meron pa tayo isang group chat, di ba, with our friends na, how can Troy do that? Di ba, bakit si Troy?
16 boards, 11
Bakit si
offensive
Troy?
rebounds.
Yes. Di ba, I get it, Troy missed Jimmy's. Pero dun yung sa ilalim. Si Japet, hindi na nga siya tumutulong sa rebounding. Doon pa siya sa labas tumitira. The one guy spelled the difference, man. One guy really spelled the difference. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm emotionally tired.
Wait, pero ako wait lang. I want to give credits to SMB before we go back to Hinebra, no? SMB, CJ Perez, 13 for 21 from the field, 3
Mhm.
rebounds, 3 assists. The best game so far for CJ Perez, arguably
Uh-huh.
this whole Philippine Cup. Juma Fajardo, 38 minutes with a
He's
strained
back.
calf.
He's back.
14 points, 12 rebounds, 6 assists, 3 blocks, blocking the shots of Japet Aguilar and everybody trying to drive through the lane. And
Yeah.
Jericho Cruz, no? Save for that fast break layup na nabitawan niya yung bola. He was amazing. 9 for 12, 27 points. He played the Don Troliano role. That bench guy that's gonna give you easy
Yes, sir.
20 points. And then Don Troliano actually backed
Hit a
them up.
big shot,
11
huh?
points. Yeah, yeah. And they really leaned on their stars. And
That's
also
right.
their six-man in Jericho Cruz. And not only that, they shot 50% from the field compared to 37% from Hinebra. 38% from three compared to 29% for Hinebra. Even the assist totals, Greb, 20
Mhm.
assists for SMB with 12 turnovers, while Hinebra had 17 assists but with 16 turnovers. And ito yung key detail, no? SMB got out-rebounded 40 to 51. Pero hindi mo napansin with the way things were playing out dito
Mhm.
sa laro na to. It was a really crucial last 3-4 minutes. And for me, we love RJ. I love,
I
we're
love him.
friends with our love. Pero RJ needs to be better. I think that's what we needed to say here as well. RJ Abarientos.
That's right. His kryptonite has always been TNT. Diba?
Uh,
They played San Miguel two conferences ago in the semifinals. He was great in that semis. Hit a couple of three-pointers, diba? Bumabanat pa nga from the 4-point area. But when we thought that yung game 3 win by Ginebra was, this is RJ and he's only going up from this point.
yeah, he's only a rookie. Pero
That's true.
again, a player with much expectations. A lot of responsibility on him, a lot of accountability. Kaya
Yeah.
syempre mataas yung tingin natin sa kanya. We expect more from RJ. Feel ko the next phase of Ginebra. Feel ko.
Yeah, he has to be. He will be for sure because his game is crowd
Sumara si pod ko.
friendly.
Shit.
That's fine, bro. If you watch Ginebra, magkakasakit ka talaga. But man, I'm telling you, RJ also has to, if and I said this last conference, if RJ is not going on offense, then he has to contribute on the other parts of the game. You play as a point guard, 'di ba? You try your best to defend. Yung ginawa niya ng game 3 had more rebounds than Scottie Thompson in game 3. 'Di ba? I know that's hard to replicate because Scottie is the greatest rebounding guard in the history, but at least get a couple of those rebounds. Manggulo ka sa ilalim, patapik-tapik, 'di ba? Because if you are not contributing on offense and you're not contributing on defense, then it's very hard to use you. And sabi nga ni Coach Mark Dandan, he'd rather have actually it's a different ano pala. He'd rather have LA than Mav, but in this game I'd rather
Ooh.
have Mav.
I rather have
But
Mav also. I rather
yeah,
have
yeah.
Mav. LA
Right now,
isn't
yes.
hindi na siya
Yeah, not
quite the same
anymore.
player that we used to know him from, especially sickness nga niya that he had to go through.
That's
And
true.
yeah, he's
Took a toll
better
on his
suited for a
body.
coaching role na for sure, Greg. I don't think Coach LA, sinasabi ko Coach LA, I don't think LA is, can't help Hirabra anymore, at least when he's on the court. Maybe when he's
That's
off the court and giving them his knowledge, what he sees. Pero as a player, di na talaga for me.
yeah, on the court, siguro a couple of minutes, like 3 minute spurts na
Yeah,
parang when
to spell, yeah.
nothing's going, the crowd goes wild, diba? When LA's on the floor, then yeah, sure. But going back to my point, if RJ's not going on offense, he's not contributing anything, then what's stopping you, Coach Tim, from putting in Nards Pinto, diba? Over
Wala
RJ.
nga. No, 0 minutes played, Darts Pito.
That's right, diba? And he's probably not a good matchup for Jericho Cruz too, especially on the post. But in the perimeter, he's going to be a pest against Jericho Cruz and who's the other guard? San Gawami Tiongson, di ba? Who hindi rin natin masyado naramdaman in this game. But, man,
Pero no problem. Kasi nag-Jericho
yeah,
Cruz explosion naman. Imagine
Jericho,
mo, 60 points between CJ. Well,
Jericho and
58.
CJ.
Wait, 58. Yeah, my math's correct. 58 points between CJ, Jericho. Yeah, sila dalawa. The fearsome two. And of course, Junmar.
That's right,
Usual
Junmar,
self. Two-way
goat
player
stuff.
talaga.
That
GOAT.
that is that is
Arguably
correct.
the GOAT. Arguably the GOAT.
Not arguably. I think it's clear. But man, I'm done. No, probably not done with the Ginebra rant because I'm too hurt and I'm too tired and I'm too angry. But see, itong San Miguel, man. When Jericho Cruz gets hot in the first half, good luck stopping that guy. That guy is going to kill you on a variety of ways. Shooting, di ba? He can hit the three, he can hit the four, he can hit the perimeter. He's a good free throw shooter. He's a good post-up player. The only thing that he cannot do apparently is finish fast break layups in this game. But
Nabitaw,
other,
excited siya eh. Whoa.
di ba nabitawan niya rin. But other than that, man, he was so excellent. And also on defense, di ba? And you can argue a couple of calls may have gotten Hinebra's way na hindi dapat, di ba? That's another thing to add insult to injury na parang calls were in your favor na nga, di ba? You were getting questionable calls. In the end, you still weren't able to capitalize. And shout out also to CJ for the first time in this series making Stephen Holt look like not an all defensive
Defensive.
player
Yeah.
because he was just getting everything that he wants in this game. Tinatawanan niya na nga si Stephen Holt, di ba? Which is something that may
Very rare.
backfire, di ba? May backfire in the end, but kudos to him. He had the game of his he had this game of the series. And I'm expecting that this is not the last, if I'm quite honest here. Because when he starts to figure it out, and if even Jericho is cold in the next game, Wami has the potential to explode. Diba? Marshall nga is quiet in this game, despite the open looks that he had. So, hey, San Miguel are the favorites. That is with the reason, and one win away from going to the finals. Thanks to some of our guys who should have
Thanks
helped
to,
us but didn't.
thanks to some of our guys. Anything. Di ko gets bakit Scotty Thompson has no assists. I remember Scotty feeding Japet for that dunk with 5 minutes remaining. The statistician should look into that one. Di ba?
Hold on.
He has 0 assists. He had that assist to Japet. That should be one. They missed, di ba? Remember?
Yeah.
Pero fourth quarter, naalala ko yun, kaya nakita ko, bakit 0 assist si Scotty? It was Scotty who drove, attracted the defense, cutting Japet from the strong side. 'Di ba? Siya yung nag-feed doon, 'di ba?
I think so.
Sinasabi ko lang, tingnan
If
mo,
it's
try to go back, like, 5 minutes remaining. Merong dunk si Japet, 'di ba? Maalala mo yun.
Mhm.
Crucial
Yeah.
moments ng
No,
game
no,
yun eh.
I remember the dunk. I just can't remember who assisted it.
O Scotty.
One thing, I'm gonna mute my phone just to make sure. But one thing, bro, if they miss that assist, can Ginebra protest this game and have it replayed? You think?
Yun.
You assist ni Scotty if they missed putting that, can Ginebra say, hey,
Ganun ba
we're
yun? Pwede ba
protesting.
yun?
No, I'm
Pwede ba
kidding,
yun?
friend. I'm
Pwede ba yun?
trying to
Yata
get a
pwede.
way out. Sobrang OA na nun. If they
Protest sila, hey, void this
why
game.
didn't
Paki-void.
why didn't you
Paki-void.
count the
Kaya
assist
mo?
of Scotty? Trying to look for the play, man. To see if we are actually
5
right.
minutes
But
remaining yun. 5-0-0,
yeah,
4:58. Parang ganun.
I think I'm here already. So it's Scotty with the ball screen. Oh yeah,
Oh,
good job PBA.
good job, PB. Good job, statistician.
Yeah, was Scotty with the assist. Well, di nga laki note yung N1 ni Norwood kanina.
Di
These
ba?
people.
Hindi na kinot yung
We'll get there. We'll get
act of
there in the
shooting
other
motion pa ganun
series.
si Gabe. So, oh,
We'll get there in the other series. But man, I'm devastated really. But objectively, I expected SMB to be the winners of Game 5, not because of Jericho and CJ, but because of Junmar. I really felt Junmar's presence inside me. And this is what we are accustomed to seeing from Junmar. I know the numbers will tell you he only had 14 points and 12 rebounds.
pero may 6 assists, may 3 blocks. Parang
Yeah,
all-around game pa rin eh. May
yun
mga ganyan
talaga.
games naman talaga si Junmar, di ba? May mga
He's
games talaga
not
siya na ganyan eh.
he's not always gonna give you 30-20 every game, but his presence alone
It's
is
plus
enough.
18 though. Plus
Yeah,
80.
yun, 'di ba? And he's moving way better than he used to, in especially in the latter part of game 1, and then the entirety of games 2 and 3. Yeah, sabi ko, this is my worry about SMB getting a healthier Junmar. Now, they're on pace to be in the finals. And I think they have a good chance against either TNT or Ross. But I'm speaking ahead because I'm picking Ginebra to win game 6 actually. But man, this is really SMB at its peak right now. Hindi pa nga peak eh. Kasi di ba hindi pa 100% si Junmar. So may ibubuga pa itong team na to.
I'm seeing a lot of comments, Grab, na walang energy si Japet. I'm trying to see if we have the same ideas as some of the people, no? To get a pulse of the crowd. Medyo same talaga tayo. It's actually puro Japet lang nakikita ko dito sa comments.
Bro,
And
he has to be like again, it's one thing when you cannot score. Japet, I'm gonna go back. Give me one more minute. Bro, the offense is not designed for you anymore. I don't think it was ever designed for you. When Greg was there, the triangle revolved around Greg. And that was the time nakasabay mo pa si Mark Kagiwa. When you moved on, when you got Justin Brownlee, it became a hybrid triangle, di ba? Si LA, si Scotty, si JB, si Sol Mercado. And then it
oh,
was like that for a solid 3 or 4 years. And then dumating si Stanley Pringle. Di ba? Stanley Pringle was their guy along with Brownlee during the reinforced conference. And then si Stan came in. It was never you, bro. It was never you who was the focal point of the
it
offense.
was
So if you're
never
not
you.
if you're not getting the ball, okay, if the plays are not being set up for you, that is fine. You're 6'10". When someone puts up a shot and Junmar helps, guess who is there to contest you? Rodney Brondial. Can't you out rebound Rodney Brondial? That's the only thing.
Ano ba height ni Ronnie Brondial? 6'6"? 6'7"?
Probably 6'7", something like that.
Oh.
6'6", 6'7". Right now, I'd rather have Rodney Brondial than Japit. Come on, man. Coach, I'll trade mo to Ginebra, please.
Amin na yan,
Take
amin na
away.
yan.
Take away. Because,
Do you think, how do we see Game 6 playing out? Do you see Hinebra on Sunday getting this win or by the momentum of things? Na
I'm predicting a Ginebra blowout on Sunday, honestly.
Hinebra will get blown out on
No, Ginebra
Sunday?
will blow out San Miguel
Ah, okay,
and
okay,
force
okay,
a
okay.
game
Kasi it's
7.
with the urgency, no?
Mm. But
I
it's
feel
a
like we're gonna
5 p.m.
see
game.
another RJ. I feel ko we're gonna see an RJ game sa Sunday.
I always said this, and I've been burned in the TNT series. Game 6 RJ, man. Game 6 RJ is real. Like, watch out
Kung
for
may Game
Game
6
6
Clay,
RJ.
may Game 6
That's
RJ.
what I'm saying. Na equivalent yan to Game 6 RJ, as I'm looking for tickets for Game 6 already. Um
Nagre-refresh ka na?
yeah,
Nagre-refresh ka na?
because the family is going to watch
Ah,
possibly the
madami. You're gonna
last
buy a
game
lot.
of Ginebra, di ba? I'm gonna buy 5, 6
Ticketnet
tickets.
ba yan, Grib?
Yeah, Ticketnet, Araneta is Ticketnet. But, they don't announce when they're gonna release those tickets. So,
Magugulat
makikita mo
ka na
na
lang.
Upper Max
Mga
na lang
12 o'clock, di ba?
yung meron. It's random, bro. Minsan mga 2:53 a.m. maglalabas sila ng ticket. Like, what?
2:53.
Who's awake at 2:53 a.m., man? But,
Ikaw, you are awake.
well, I
That's
am.
your,
Oh.
that's your time.
That's my time. You're entering my territory. But, man, I think Ginebra blows them out in Game 6 for reasons that I will not disclose anymore. But people already know why.
Yeah, for
Um,
those who listen to the podcast already know why. You guys
and those
already
who
know.
read the comments, di ba? Already know why. I think Ginebra blows them out on Sunday. They're gonna run a lot, which they did not do that much tonight. It's a 5 p.m. game, but it's a Sunday. So yung mga tao walang pasok eh. So puno agad yung
Oh,
Araneta at the start of the game. So, that's me speaking with not my heart but with my mind. Like, I just can see how Ginebra will blow them out in game 6. Like an early lead, 28-12, something like that, and SMB will not recover.
yeah. Well, actually maganda. Shoutout sa mga PBA fans, by the way. They stay for the TNT Ross series. Di ba napapansin natin yung Grab alam mo na sa Dinoy tayo.
Mm-hmm.
5 p.m. yung game na Ginebra SMB. And yet, people still stayed for the next one. Nakakatuwa yun. I
Even
like it.
Samoa.
Even sa MOA, di ba?
Yeah.
Nagstay ka pa till halftime?
Yeah, I did. Halftime. And then, marami pa rin tao. And then, pagdating ko sa bahay, in the fourth quarter, dami pa rin tao. So, that speaks to how people are probably craving for an independent team to barge into the BBA finals. But they're down 3-2 as well. So, um, yeah, I have Ginebra winning on Sunday. I know it's a crazy take coming off what they just put out in game 5, but I have I have the feeling that this one's going 7. That's my initial pick anyway. Go 7,
Okay.
then I'm sticking with Ginebra. But man, I'm so hurt. Like,
Yung mga
thanks.
games na winnable, no? Especially for you as a fan.
Yun
Very
yung masakit eh.
winnable. Nakikita mo talaga na, alam mo yung glaring weakness kung bakit kayo natalo. Kaya siguro mas masakit.
That's right. Kasi yung games 2 and 4, di ba we were there? Tayo ni Mario in game 2 and then tayo
Oo.
dalawa
Yeah,
in
yeah.
game 4.
Oo.
We were laughing kasi we know that it's not winnable anymore. Like, this game slipped away in game 2 in the first quarter, in game 4 in the third quarter. Parang nagtatawanan na tayo. If I'm Stephen A. Smith nga, maglalaro na ako ng solitaire, di ba? In the middle of
Naglalaro
the
ka na ng
NBA
solitaire.
finals, di ba? That Stephen A. did that. But this game was there for them to take, and um I just don't want to say any more words about what I saw, especially from that guy. Glad I didn't
You're,
buy his jersey, man. I have a Brownlee, Thompson, Barrientos, Helterbrand, Tenorio jersey.
were you close to
Uh,
buy an Aguilar jersey?
Not even close. Not even close.
You can,
Goodness.
I rather buy a Poly jersey first.
Yeah. Yeah, this one I'll keep, but man, yeah. Yan talaga buhay. NSD, yung mga kabarangay natin dyan, tulungan nyo naman ako sa comments kasi pupataktinan ako ng
Oo nga pala.
mga, tulungan nyo naman ako.
Humingi ng tulong, guys. Yung mga taga-RSD dyan. Tulungan nyo naman ako sa
Alam ko mas
comments.
marami tayo. Alam kong dito hindi na tayo nanonood. Pag tali na yun, that's fine, I get it, man. But
Pero tulungan nyo naman ako dito.
silip lang kayo kahit 10 seconds into the video lang. Ano,
Back up your guy, Greb.
yeah. You can do it, girl. Yeah, you can sleep tonight peacefully.
Pero pag
Yeah.
talo ka, di ba? Yung mga kabarangay mo, tahimik eh.
No, not
Siyempre,
already.
masakit eh.
No, di ba? But it's gonna take a couple of bottles for me to get through the night. Happy 4th of July, by the way. This is the gift that I got. Yeah, just be happy, but
You can't have it
uh,
all, Greb. Hindi mo pwede makuha lahat.
that is right. That is right. And to be fair, on a more serious note, SMB deserves to win, bro. Like,
Ano?
SMB deserves to win. Like,
Oo.
I'm a Ginebra homer. You know that. That's why I'm hurt. But if you look at it objectively, remove the Ginebra glasses, they should have won this game really, because
Well,
the
it could
guys
go
that
either way eh. It could have
that
gone
is
either way.
true.
Hindi naman
That is
guaranteed Ginebra yun eh. It's really a break here, a stop there, a basket here. That's CJ3, di ba?
mm-hmm.
So, we could have gone either way. But
That
alam
is
mo
right.
kasi kung saan kaya nagkulang eh. Even though na,
Mm,
okay, yeah, we have 51 rebounds. Pero, did it really go para, ano tawag dito? You out-rebounded your opponent, but nakatulog ba talaga sa... It's when it mattered the most. Doon
that
nawala
is
yung mga
correct.
yun.
And when it's close, that's why as a fan, I'd rather be blown out by 30 than be in a close game with 5 minutes to go. Kasi mas masakit yun eh. Kasi you know that you're already capable of getting the game and you let it slip away, which I don't see in game 6. Like, put it in the bank, man, na Ginebra will win game 6. Big
Pero feel
time.
ko close game, Grab. Feel ko
It
it's gonna be
is.
close. Feel ko it's
I
gonna be
have,
close. If
I,
Hinebra's gonna win on... Ako for me, if Hinebra's gonna win on Sunday, feel ko it's gonna be by like 2 to 5 points. Yung
wow,
gap
really.
lang.
My
For
gut
me.
tells me it's 12 beyond. And the allegations will never be
Continue.
defeated
The
again.
allegations continue. And the haters will feast
Oh,
even more.
sigurado yan. But people are still going to tune in anyway. It's just that um it boiled down to one game. Sana kinancel na lang natin yung first 6 games, diba, if that happens. But that's
Sana
life.
best
I'm
of 3
mad
na
right
lang to
now.
ko ganun.
That is correct. I'm mad right now, but I'll recover. You'll see my face on Sunday, and I'll be smiling widely because we tied the series at 3. But for now, it's a sad night for me.